Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! coloring. Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part. Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own. I love how the colors are turning out. Don't worry if you go outside the lines. It's all part of the creative process. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching,